In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove website shortcuts in Mozilla Firefox. Once you open Mozilla Firefox, you'll usually be taken to the Firefox homepage. If you've changed your homepage to a custom website, then what you see may look different. To check which homepage you're currently using, open the menu in the upper right corner of the browser and select Settings. From there, click Home on the left-hand side. In the Home section, you'll see the options for your homepage and new windows, as well as new tabs. If these are set to Firefox default, then each time you open the browser, you'll see the standard Firefox homepage with a collection of website shortcuts. These shortcuts can include websites you've visited recently, along with a few sites that Firefox displays by default. As you continue browsing the web, Firefox may automatically update these shortcuts based on your browsing activity. If you'd rather remove some of them or replace them with your own favorite websites, it's very easy to do. To remove a shortcut, go back to the Firefox homepage and move your mouse pointer over the shortcut you want to remove. When you hover over it, you'll notice a three-dot menu appear. Click that menu, then choose the Dismiss option. The shortcut will immediately disappear from the page. You can repeat the same process for any other shortcut you no longer want to keep. This is a quick way to clear out unwanted shortcuts and make the page look more organized. If you've removed a few shortcuts, you'll notice empty spaces where they used to be. To add your own website, move your pointer over one of those empty spaces and click the plus icon. A window will appear where you can enter the title for your shortcut along with the website address. After entering the information, click the Add button, and your new shortcut will appear on the Firefox homepage. You'll also notice an option to use a custom image for the shortcut if you'd like to personalize its appearance. If you choose to use that option, you can provide the image address in the field provided before adding the shortcut. Otherwise, you can simply leave it as it is and continue. That's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly add new website shortcuts or remove existing ones from the Firefox homepage, making it easier to keep your favorite websites just one click away whenever you open your browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,